Jeff from Purrfect Cooking Channel. Today we're going to make some chicken breast and we're going to use the air fryer. Alrighty guys, so if you hear the background noise, that's the air fryer preheating. This first one I used, I just call it a meat mallet. It's been used for many other things, but one of the breasts I put in this plastic bag, or I guess I just left it in the bag, and I pounded it real good with the hammer. I decided to inject all of these, and they don't take much before it starts squirting out. You can see it's going in there, but again, some of it leaks out in the plate. This is maybe meant more for like chicken thighs for competition, different things like that. Ready guys, so the air fryer is ready to go. I did spray it with vegetable oil, and the two that I'm going to be cooking, the one on the left is injected, one of the three, and the one on the right is the one I flattened out with the mallet. Of course, the two of the breasts are in the air fryer now at 350 degrees, and we'll run those for about 10 minutes. Keep in mind, you do want to preheat your air fryer before cooking with it. Alrighty guys, I just wanted to show that this one's at temp, a little bit hotter. This is actually the one I pounded out, but it actually grew back a little bit. Alrighty guys, so what I decided to do is just kind of focus on the cook and not the flavors. This is the chicken breast that I pounded out with the mallet. It actually puffed up again, but look at the juice on the top. This looks like I might just go with the method of mallet pounding this out and cooking in the air fryer. So as I was cutting these others up, because I'm going to use this for meal prepping, this looks like it's really juicy. That bird boost did make a difference.